Gives them. My mom's over here pouting because she hasn't had a bite yet. Would you like to have a bite? There you go, Mom. Have a bite. I am making these beef chuck riblets. What we're going to do is we're going to smoke these. And I'm going to try to make a chuck roast sandwich. Oh, that's good. Well, you know, Mom enjoys it. I got a great sauce that goes with it. Take your finger, stick it in there, give yourself a taste test. I'll show you how we put this all together. See, I have my fly eliminators out again. My buddy Alex got them for me. Thank you again, Alex. I appreciate it. All right, go ahead and open these up. So I'm hoping I can really bring you guys something new here. And we're going to smoke them in our smoker. But I got a nice little seasoning to go on top of them. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get in here and we want to try to get that membrane off. The reason why we want to get that membrane off is because we want to be able to separate the bone from the meat because we're going to make these into sandwiches. That membrane taken off the back here, these bones will slide out much easier. All right, I got some extra virgin olive oil. Rub it in there just like that. Now here I just have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. We don't have to do the other side. We're just going to go ahead and pat this in a little bit. The other side has no meat on it. So now I have my smoker set at 275 degrees. We're looking to get to an internal temperature of about 175 to 180. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put these in some aluminum foil with some butter and brown sugar. I love those birds. I really do. We're going to use some butter and brown sugar, covering them up in aluminum foil. We're going to get them nice and tender and soft. And then we're going to be able to pull these bones right out. And we're going to make some riblet sandwiches. So we got these on the smoker. I have them with the bone side down. We're going to keep them that way with the bone side down and let the smoke come through and let the heat come through the bone. And I'm going to cook the top of these. I'm telling you, it's going to be absolutely delicious. Told you about that horseradish sauce that we're going to put on our brioche buns when we make these chuck roast riblets. Horseradish sauce. I'll leave in the description exactly how much I put in here. All right, I have here some apple cider vinegar, got some ketchup, and that's pretty much it. Just these three ingredients. And we'll give this a good whisking in. Now you can put mayonnaise in here if you just got the regular horseradish, but this is a horseradish sauce, and the sauce is made with mayonnaise. So I don't need more mayonnaise. Take your finger, stick it in there, give yourself a taste test. Oh yeah. Oh, they're looking so tender and juicy right now. We're gonna get the brown sugar first. Make it all nice and happy. Got a half a stick of butter. We're gonna go ahead and wrap these in aluminum foil and get them back on the smoker. Oh my. Oh guys, you're telling me what? That looks so good. Oh man. Wow, do they look good. Look at that, guys. That's just pulling right off. All right, let's get these bones off of here. Let's make ourselves up a sandwich. Oh yeah, the bones just come right off of there, guys. Yeah, Mom just came out here because she smelled them. They just smelled so good. Oh yeah, guys, look at the juice on that. Look at the juice and everything like that. Got a nice little smoke ring going on there. Get the rest of these sliced up, and when we come back, we'll make them a sandwich. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that bottom bun. I just want to dip it inside that. Saucy like that. Oh yeah. Get that nice brown sugar and sauce. We're going to take a handful of this already chopped up meat, horseradish sauce that we made. Put a nice glob of that on there. Slap a bun to it. Call it good to go. All right. Grab a couple pictures. We'll have a taste test. Back in a minute. Let's have a taste test, guys. Cheers, everyone. That horseradish sauce, out of this world. And gives them. My mom's over here pouting because she hasn't had a bite yet. Would you like to have a bite? There you go, Mom. Have a bite. Oh, that's good. Well, you know, Mom enjoys it. All right, guys, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Say hi to mom again. Let me check the mic first, make sure the mic is on. I don't want to have another Clint Matthew moment.